As per your request, I am in here to show you some important tasks from Microsoft Word 2007. As you all know, Microsoft Word is one of the application program comes under the Microsoft Office package. ICSE and CBSE students, those who belongs to class 5 to 7, I ask them to stay tuned and watch my video carefully. So let's start, students. Today's topic, table in Microsoft Word. Look at the screen, student. This is a Windows 10 operating system. While you are using this operating system, the way to open Microsoft Word, there are two ways are here to open Microsoft. 2 and 3 ways are there to open Microsoft Word. The most common way is the student, you will press Windows button and R together from your keyboard. Look at here. Your run command will be in the screen. Here in this window you will type WINWORD WinWord and press enter to open Microsoft Word window. You will run this run command in any configuration of machine in any version of the Word. If you will type WinWord within the run command box, then your Microsoft Word dialog box automatically will be open. Now I will close this window. The main way and another common way to open Microsoft Word 2007, look at here, click on the start button. Here Microsoft Office Word 2007 icon displays. You can click over there to open Microsoft Word. If you will not get this icon from here, you have to move to Microsoft Office folder. You have to move to Microsoft Office folder. Look at here, Microsoft Office folder it is. Click over here, scroll down. Here Microsoft Office Word 2007. Just click here to open Microsoft Office Word window. I can maximize this window, students. Look at here. This is our Microsoft Word scene. Before starting the work, we need to rearrange the page, set up the margin. Just click on the page layout tab and choose the margin menu and just click on there to open the all margin list. I can choose narrow. Okay, I reduce the display size little bit smaller. Okay, look at here, students. A table is made up of rows and columns. The intersection of a row and column is called a cell. Tables are often used to organize and present information, but they have variety of uses as well. You can use tables to align numbers and create interesting page layouts and many others work. Now students, here our topic is there are how many ways to create table in Microsoft Word. I found by myself that students here there are 5 ways to create table in Microsoft Word 2007. I am starting from one by one, students. First, click on the insert tab. Go to the table option. Look at here. Here some automatic rows column option will be here. Auto table. This thing is known as the auto table option. Suppose if you want to insert, just consider if you want to insert 4 columns 4 rows, then you can choose here 1 2 3 4 4 columns and 4 rows 1 2 3 4 4 rows and 4 columns. Just click. Look at this page, students. 4 rows and 4 columns table I have already created by selecting this option. Okay, now look at here, students, one thing. This is a design tab. After creating your table, automatically design tab will be open. If you want to change your table style, many styles are here. As per your choice, you can change it. Many styles, look at here, many styles are here. As per your choice, students, you can change it. Okay, now come to the point. Another way, one more way to create table in Microsoft Word. Click on the insert, go to the table option, click on insert table. Look at here, a insert table dialog box will be open. This one is the insert table dialog box. Here you have to put number of columns and number of rows. Suppose I want to input and I want to create 6 grid table, I mean 6 rows and 6 columns will be there. Here I can make it 6, number 6. Here I can make it number 2 to 6, 5, 6. Okay, click OK. Look at here, 6 columns, 1 2 3 4 5 6. These all vertical lines are known as the columns and all horizontal lines are known as the rows, and 6 rows are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Clear? So already 2 ways you have seen to create table. Okay, another way, one more way to create table, students. Look at here, click on the insert tab, choose table option and draw table. This is one of the interesting part to create table, students. Look at here, just click on the draw table option. Suppose I want to draw table in this way. Okay, look at here, I can create this table in this way. Now our table drawing is completed. So as per your choice, student, what you like you can draw by selecting the draw table option, students. So this is the way you can draw the table. Many styles are here, students, already I have shown you. So from the design tab you can select styles. So what style you choose, you can choose by yourself, that, students. Okay, so already you have seen there are 3 ways to create table. 2 more ways are there. Look at here, go to the insert tab once again, choose table option. Here quick table options are there, quick tables. Here many table layouts are there, default layouts, many table layouts are here. If you want to insert month table layout, so you can choose the month. Now is May month is going on, this is the current month calendar, students. Just click over here to insert it. Look at here, students, if you want to change the styles, many styles are here, you can choose by yourself. If you want to implement more styles, many more styles are here to implement. Look at here. Okay, this is the way. So already you have seen there are 4 ways to create your table in Microsoft Word. Apart from this, you are having one more option to create or convert text to table. Suppose, just consider, here I write roll number, press tab one time, then write students name, press tab one more time, marks, press tab one more time, and average, press enter. I am giving roll number 1, press tab, giving a student name A dash, press one time tab, and one more time tab I am just going to provide, student. If you want to write the full form of the students, here you can write. Okay, that way you can write, press one time tab, marks, I put it the marks here 980, percentage 98, press enter. Roll number 2, student name is Shagnik Roy, press tab one more time, write here 780, percentage 78, enter. Roll number 3, press tab, student name is Dinesh, D-I-N-E-S-A, Dinesh Dash, tab one more time, press 580, marks, press tab, then put average 58. Look at this here, to convert this text to table you need to select whole or to drag by the mouse. You need to select the whole text by dragging the mouse. Clear? Then go to the insert option, choose table, and look at here, you are having option convert text to table. Just click over here to convert it into table. Look at here, 4 columns are here, roll number, student's name, marks, average, and 4 rows are here. This one 1 row, this one 2nd row, this one 3rd row, this one 4th row. Now click OK to continue. Look at here, our table is formed from the text. So this is the way you can convert text to table. So students, already you have seen there are 5 ways to create table in Microsoft. Show you a sample table work in Microsoft Word. Look at here, I make heading table in MS Word. Select by mouse, click on the center alignment to make it center of the page. I want to increase the size of this font. Click over here, this font size option. I can choose 20, the font size. If you want to change the font styles, click over here, different font styles are available. I can choose Arial Black. If you want to change the font color option is here. By click this option to change the font color. Look at here, I can choose blue color. Now table in MS Word option, change it to the blue color. Enter. I want to insert table. Click on the insert tab, choose table option. I can choose insert table 4 columns. I want to insert 4 columns and 5 rows. 1 2 3 4 4 columns I have chosen, and 1 2 3 4 5 rows I have chosen, students. Now I want to put some table heading. Here I put serial number. Here I write title. Here I make heading image. Here remarks. If you want to decrease the font size, you can select by the mouse, students. The whole text you will select by the mouse, then come to the home tab, click on the font size option. I want to decrease the font size as 14. I can choose font size as 14. Look at here. Now font size is automatically decreased by choosing the size 14. If you want to change the font color, suppose I want to choose the font color is red. Then click on the font color option and choose the red color. Look at here. The font color change into the red color from blue. If you want to change the background of this row, look at here. Background option is here by shading option. I want to select yellow color. Look at here. Just click on the yellow color. Looks. The background of the first row has been changed and font color already is changed. Everybody can see it already. Now I can put the serial number 1 2 3 4. Title. Here I am going to give the title human. I want to insert some image. One thing is that, student, I minimize this window. Look at here. I have created a table folder in the desktop, and inside of this folder, look at here, some images I have taken to insert in Microsoft Word. Some icons and pictures I have taken. Now, students, I want to insert an image. Click on the insert tab, choose picture. Now choose the location desktop. What is the folder name? Table. Here, from here, table folder, I have chosen this image. Look at here. By default it comes in the large size. I want to decrease the size of the image. Just press shift button and press your mouse button and drag any corner to corner. Look at here. I click from the mouse by mouse and drag the mouse from the top left corner to bottom right corner. Look at here. Top left corner to bottom right corner. Our photo size should be decreased. If you want to decrease more, same way. Now lower, I mean the bottom right corner to top left corner. Look at here. See. Here you will put the remarks as per your choice. Now first see what are the pictures I have chosen. Butterfly. Okay. I am give the name is butterfly. BUTTER butterfly. Come to this box. Click on this cell. Go to the insert tab. Picture. Choose this butterfly image. Look at here. By default it comes in a large size. Press shift button, drag by mouse from any corner of the picture and minimize it. Now 3. Here I write. Here one heart sign is there, the love symbol. I have right here love. Click in this cell to insert the image. Click insert tab. Click picture. Choose the love symbols, and I can decrease the size of this symbol and image. Look at here. It is automatically decreased after clicking or dragging the mouse. Through using the mouse, I have decreased this image size. Now look at here. I can zoom out of this window, students. I want to show the whole things in a single window. Look at here. So this is the way you can use your table in Microsoft Word as per your choice, as per your need. You can use table function in Microsoft Word, students. I hope everybody has understood. One cell still left. So students, every one of you can implement this thing into your personal computer or laptop, whatever the device you are using to perform computational operation. So this row you will fill by yourself, students. As per your need, I have shown the table work or table function in Microsoft Word. I hope students everybody has understood and be implemented.